Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to share what I did when my webcam suddenly stopped working. Vertical lines, minsan nag-white black screen siya. Yung una ko ring Logitech, ganito din yung sira. So, tinry ko siyang i-repair muna kasi I have glasses and di ko na siya pwedeng i-cancel. Kailangan natin siyang buksan. Kailangan mo ng screwdriver para dun sa tatlong maliit na screw. Wala kasi ako mahanap, kaya ang ginamit ko yung maliit na. All you have to do is to pull up the sensor. Pull it up until your camera goes back to normal. Hinayaan ko na lang siyang naka-open kasi magloloko pa din siya talaga. Pero I was able to do classes for like 3 hours naman. This is just temporary kasi the next day, nag-white screen na naman. So, I had to adjust the sensor para magamit ko ulit yung camera. Kung wala kang spare camera and hindi ka pa nakakabili ng bago, pwede na siyang pagtiyagaan. So, that's all for today's video. Thank you and until next time. Bye-bye!